The tax planning consultation. What is it and what you can expect? What's up, guys? Mike back at it again, CPA alongside my partner in crime, Andrew D'Amico, also a CPA, here bringing you the latest and greatest tax strategies. So if you love this stuff as much as we do, make sure you bang that subscribe button and welcome to the Ledgerly family. So today we're going against the grain and we're talking about the tax planning and or year-end tax review call for you, the client or the potential client. So if you're watching this video, you may have stumbled upon us via Google, YouTube. Maybe you're a potential client that knows you want to take the right step in the right direction but don't know where to begin. Or maybe you're a current client and it's that time of the year to book us for a tax review call. So like our comprehensive consultation, we get in the weeds of any and all tax strategies that you want to discuss and or ones that we recommend for you. So the goal of this call is to uncover any strategies that we can either implement for this year to take advantage of or for the following year that's going to benefit you, either for that short-term tax deduction or that long-term generational wealth building. So when you book us for one of these tax strategy review calls or year-end tax planning review, we're going to ask you to upload some documents. Now, if you're a returning client or you're an advisory client, we're most likely going to have this information. But let's say you're brand new and we haven't talked before. We're glad you're here. You're going to get the portal invitation. You can sign up for the portal in our website. We're going to send you an engagement letter and an invoice. But in addition to that, you're going to get this checklist and organizer to help us understand your picture and your aspirations on the tax planning side. So if you're brand new, we're going to ask you to upload your prior year tax returns, business and personal, and for your business, your year-to-date profit and loss, balance sheet, all that fun stuff. Now, disclosure, as we're going through those documents, if we identify something that seems a little off or there might be a mistake, we're going to ask you for a few years of prior returns as well, just to make sure that if there is an issue, we can amend it and get that money back for you. Now, this is your playground. This is where you can check off on all these different boxes on things you want to learn more about. The bookkeeping, it all starts with bookkeeping. Without accurate books and records, we can't do any efficient tax strategy or planning for you. Is it time to convert for an S corporation? Do you want to learn more about the accountable plan and the different deliverables that come with that? Do you want to learn more about paying your kids, taking advantage of the home office, the auto reimbursable expenses, your board of advisors of your family and friends that you talk business, learning more about the self-rental, short-term rental properties and taking advantage of accelerated depreciation. With that comes the cost segregation. Or do you want to be a real estate professional and just be able to take advantage of all these great real estate tax incentives without having to worry about an income threshold? Do you want to learn more about the solo 401k? How about deducting all your medical expenses under the sun and also implementing a health reimbursement arrangement or a health savings account as another investment vehicle? How about a 1031 exchange to defer gains on sales of property, or charitable remainder trust, or any other like-kind trust that is going to help your tax picture by deferring income or putting it in a vehicle that you're not getting slapped by the tax dog in the first year? How about state taxes, your domicile? What state do you live in? Or one of my personal favorites, Roth chunking in the back door. Or hey, is there anything else that's on this list that you want to talk about when it comes to tax strategy? Now, let me take a step back. There's a lot of amazing information at the surface that's on this page. But if none of this makes sense, don't worry. We are going to get into the detail and explain it in a way that is going to be easy and palatable in bite-sized pieces for you to understand. Rome wasn't built in a day, so we're not expecting you to grasp everything and implement everything in one day. No. That's not how we roll. We want to advise you and be clear and communicate with you to make sure you're understanding these topics and implementing them the right way. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. Whatever industry you work in, Andrew and I probably know nothing about. And that's why we love to learn from our clients, because it's a two-way street. You're in your business for your expertise. We're in our business for our expertise. So we want to make you feel comfortable. This is a safe space. It's attorney-client privilege, CPA-client privilege. Your words are safe with us, and we expect the same from our clients as well. So whether you're a potential new client or an existing client and you want to continue to better yourself and take those right steps towards tax-free wealth building for the future, then this is a call for you. All right, cool. Before we wrap up, what can you expect to leave with on this call? Depending on the discussion topics we go over, you're going to leave with some great deliverables to help implement, a clear path on what we need to do to implement that, a recording of the call to reference back to, along with a broad overview of notes, and hopefully a trusted relationship with us at Ledgerly. So whether you're a brand new client, an advisory client, whatever it might be, we want to applaud you for even being here, watching this video to learn more about taking your financial life and accelerating it with some awesome tax strategy that we're confident we're going to knock out of the park with you. So with that said, we'll see you on the other side for our time together with our call.